Nah. Fuck off. Right, go. Mazza, Nick's on the other side of the drive. There. Shit. Where's he off to? You guys would love airsofting.
No, Ross.
What?
Riot shield.
Let me see. Check you out. You can't shoot while you got a riot shield. Have you been hit yet, Nick?
What?
Have you been hit?
Nah.
If you run out of rounds, shout out. Oh. Right, Nick's out. Mazza, stop.
Shouldn't have to stop when you're out. Yeah. I've been out about 4 times.
Yeah, and you shout out and then Nick will stop.
Sorry?
What them down there?
There's still bullets on the floor, I can see them from here.
Yeah, still.
You should be picking up. I haven't picked any up out of that package. I picked loads up out of the house.
Yo, Mazza, while you're waiting, could you do us a favour?
What?
On the settee in the living room, there's my silencer. Go get it. Take like 2 seconds.
I know.
Nick, if Mazza had the sniper on one end of the street and you were allowed all of these springers, would you do it?
Yeah. I'll do anything. Do it in the fucking garden, I'll throw that in.
No one's been shot by that sniper dead on yet. I don't know how much it hurts.
Actually, not shot me yet.
Oi.
You got me the silencer?
Yeah.
Just chuck it.
Sit down on there. People think you're robbing the house.
Okay.
Glasses like this. Camera. Doing it, I'll run this one as well.